this video, I'm going to be conducting a complete ASMR eye examination by memory, so follow along with me. Okay, you're here for your eye exam. How are your eyes doing today? Do you have any blurry vision? Do your eyes feel scratchy, burning, watery, light sensitive, irritated, anything like that? How are your glasses doing? How are your contact lenses doing? How is your vision doing? Great. Let's get started by checking your eyes out. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is look all the way at the end of that screen, at the chart at the end of the examination lane, and tell me what is the lowest line of letters you can read with both eyes. Great. Now take this paddle and cover your left eye for me. Now, with just your right eye, what is the lowest line of letters that you think you can read for me? Good, good, good. Now let's cover the other eye. Same thing. What's the lowest line of letters you can read? Very good. Now, I'm going to take that paddle back. I'm going to move this paddle in between your eyes to check for eye alignment issues. Now take the paddle back, cover your eye, use your peripheral side vision, and tell me how many fingers you think you can see. Good, there's just one. Good, there's just two. Good, there's five. Good, there's one. Very good, I'll take that paddle back now. Now, follow my light with your eyes only, and in this case, just follow my finger with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Pretend it is in a block of ice, but follow my finger with your eyes only. Good. Good. Very good. Now, I'm going to use this light to check your pupillary reflex. So I'm just going to shine this in one eye at a time to make sure that your pupils are dilating and constricting to light appropriately. Very good, very good. Now, let's get the phoropter in front of you and check to see what your prescription looks like today. I'm going to start with your right eye. You're going to see some letters and some dots out there. Which set of dots looks more clear? The top set or the bottom set, or do they look the same? Good. Moving along. Is the right set of dots more clear, or the left set more clear, or do they look the same? Good, good. Now, what's the lowest line of letters you can read out on the chart screen for me? Yeah, that's right. Now, if I do this, does that make the letters more blurry? Good, good. Now, let's go check the other eye out next. Gonna reset all of this. Same thing. You'll see two sets of dots and a couple of letters. Which set of dots looks more clear? The top set or the bottom set, or do they look the same? Good. Now, is the right set more clear, or the left set more clear, or do they look about the same? Good. Now, what is the lowest line of letters you can read out on that chart screen for me? Good. If I do this, does that become more blurry? Good. It should. Let's get rid of that now. Now, we're going to bring both eyes in to look at the chart screen. What is the lowest line of letters you can read for me? Very good. That's correct. Now, we're going to move this in a little closer and check on your near reading vision. Very good. Now, you're going to see some letters on this chart in front of you. What is the lowest line of letters you think you can read for me? Good, that's right. Absolutely. Now, we're going to get rid of that and take a look at the front and back of your eyes with the little microscope I have over here to my side. Let's go ahead and get you comfortable. Is that a comfortable height, or would you like to come up or down, forward or back, left or right? That's comfortable. Okay, great. Go ahead and start by closing first. I'm going to look at your eyelids and eyelashes. Now that those look normal, let's go ahead and have you open your eyes. Look at this knob here. I'm going to start by looking at your cornea, your lens, your connective tissues, and then I'll look at the retina, the vitreous humor, the things that make up the health of your eyes. So give me just a moment and I'll take a look at all of that for you. This is very good, very healthy. Excellent, excellent. Now look up and then look down. Let's go check out the other eye. It's gonna be kind of tough to see for a few moments, but try to look over here at this knob or imagine where you think it is as best you can. Let's look at your eyelashes and eyelids, cornea, crystalline lens, connective tissues, pupil, vitreous humor, retina, optic nerve, just like we did with the other eye. Good, good. This is great. Excellent. Nice, healthy eyes. Awesome. Now, look up for me, and then look down, and then you can sit back for me now. Okay, so your eyes look great. Healthiness-wise, things look the same as last year compared to this year. No new changes or concerns I'm seeing. Maybe a small prescription change with the glasses and contact lenses, but nothing that's out of bounds right now. So your eyes are nice and healthy, and I'm not seeing any new changes at this time. Did you have any questions or any concerns for me about your eye exam or eye findings today? Usually the recommended annual eye exam of how often you need to be having your eyes checked is typically once a year for most adults. Now for children it can vary. If they have a prescription change, we might want to see them more frequently because their eyes are growing more quickly. But for most adults, typically just once a year. Very good. Now let's get you out front and have the folks work with you on getting your prescription lenses and contact lenses updated. Excellent. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more notifications and to be alerted when new videos are posted. I'm Dr. Bryce Heffington, and we'll see you next time.